Hi, I'm Sammy Cody. This is my first video ever for YouTube. I've never done this. Definitely like super awkward. This is my first purchase from EarthHero. I decided to stop using Amazon as much as possible and like purchasing things at Target or Walmart or things that I just don't need. But EarthHero is a emissions friendly, just everything about them is like recycled. There's like 100% carbon offset by planting trees. Sorry, I can't read upside down. EarthHero is definitely the way to go. And you can see this box has been recycled and recycled and recycled. Okay, here we go. So this is the only disposable thing I think I got that's in here. And it is a bottle brush. So you can replace this top piece, I believe. Somehow. Like that. So you'd replace this after probably a while. I imagine it's good for a while. I got copper cloths. I thought these would be really helpful for one, cleaning my bathroom or like any sort of like gross surface that's like kind of, or I was gonna use them for just like my car, but usually for dishes because I hate scrubbing things. And then I stopped using sponges because sponges are gross. Oh, I forgot I got these Eco Nuts, the organic laundry detergent. This is good for 100 loads. Literally only cost me $10. This box saves 3.125 plastic detergent bottles from ever making it to a landfill or winding up in the ocean. That's insane. As you can see, there is a little bit of packaging inside this box, but as you can see, it's also 100% recyclable. So that's super cool. These, oh my god. We haven't had paper towels in almost 3 weeks now, so almost a month. But like my New Year's resolution was no more paper towels, like cloths only, like we don't need them. Like we literally use them to dry our hands, like wipe dishes. Cloths are for that. And look at these. Oh, that's how big they are. And they're actually really soft. Wow, and I bet they're super absorbent. But they're called Marley's Monsters Organic Cotton Unpaper Towels. Unpaper your life with reusables. I like this. Roll them on a roll without the need for snaps as they naturally cling to each other. What? I was literally gonna tell you I was gonna sew on clip buttons to like each corner, but instead they cling to each other. Woo! I'll show you guys at the end that finished product. This is gonna be a lifesaver. This is a compost bin or like a scraps collector. But if you look at it, it has a hook on it. So I can hook it on the counter, I can hook it on the side of the sink, I can hook it like on my freezer door. Literally, right on the freezer door. I think that's why it's like got this convenient size, is so that way it fits on the freezer door. And so it's not like something big and pokey and in the way. But it's also made out of silicone. It's made by Full Circle, I believe. But it's called Scrap Happy. How could I not? Oh my gosh. And gray goes with everything, so can never go wrong there. And this is the last thing. I only needed one more of these, because I don't think I need too many anyways, since they're glass, so I can always interchange them or switch out the liquid. Good thing I decided to sit on my bed and not unbox it. This was the last thing. Loving this. It's actually really nice, and I'll have to get like a cloth thing to put around it or something. But, oh man. I love a good spray bottle. This is the finished product. This is all the stuff I got. But again, remember I went through EarthHero. I even had a discount. I would love anybody to use EarthHero no matter what. Like, this is all the best stuff that you can get. And you know that it's like fair trade. You know that it's literally everything about it is like safe and it's better for your life. But I'm really excited for this because now I'm going to start my own cleaning products. That'll be in the next video. How to make your own cleaning products, because I've been loving the ones that I've started to make. Thank you so much for watching. Short video, but enjoy my products, and I hope that you look into them and look into recycling around you and composting, and just think about the big picture. Reuse, reduce, recycle, refuse, and repurpose your products. The 5 R's. So I forgot to mention, I have a link to EarthHero down below if you could use that to support my channel, and use the code SAMCODY for 10% off your purchase. Thank you. Have a good one.